This is going to be an extension on the tips and tricks. Specifically, we're going to focus on Fine Woodworking's Woodworking Machines book. There was a specific section on making a rip fence for your table saw, and what I'm going to slice in right now is me making parts of my rip fence. Screw hardware that allows me to attach this nice plastic material to my fence, which again is a low friction, but also you notice that it doesn't go the entire fence length. The reason being for that is so when I'm ripping, when I get to the end, I don't need to have contact on the back end of the blade there, and that's how your blade will actually catch your board and shoot it back at you, or it'll burn the back of your board. So when I get to the end of the cut, it allows me to push it off to the side while keeping it cut perfectly at the distance that I set. So we're going to zoom in over here on the back side of the table saw just to show you what it looks like for the cut. Okay. So I'm just going to do a dry run real quick. So as the board's going through the table saw, all right, it's making the cut exactly to what I set. And then once I grab my push stick and push it through, it comes off without binding in the back side of the blade. So what that looks like with power is